today I'll be taking over Hannah's YouTube account. I'm very excited for today. I've always wanted to be a YouTuber, but I don't have the energy or the editing software. So here I am. Disclaimer, I have such a boring life because I don't do anything in quarantine. I cannot wait for school to get started, but I'll try to bring you along. I woke up literally 30 minutes ago and it's 1:30. But we're still gonna make the most of the day, so come along. My outfit of the day, this is my outfit. It's kind of bland, but I'm just wearing this wrap top. It's actually from Capezio's because it's like a dance wrap shirt, but I just wear it as a normal shirt. And then these like paper bag shorts. I don't know where they're from, but maybe like Hollister? I don't know, fam. I'm gonna go get breakfast or lunch. I'm not sure what's one yet. I ate a singular Popham, a chocolate, and that's it. I'm gonna have a banana. Healthy girl. Update. I'm still hungry. Guys, I found pasta. It looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna eat some pasta. It's 3 o'clock. I ate my pasta and now I'm laying in bed and I'm really sad because I really hate this summer so much. I just want to go back to school because I do not do good. I'm just like alone all the time. Like I want to see people again. I'm gonna be doing college research at 3:30, so I'll update you. So it's now 5:45 and I've been working on college application stuff for the past like 2 hours. Pretty much what I've been doing is I was looking at a school that I'm applying to and I was just getting like contact information to like show interest and stuff and like researching the major minor programs. Right now I'm looking at doing, sorry I'm out of breath, looking at doing a major in acting and minor in film and media studies. So I'm trying to find schools that offer that for me. And then now I'm emailing teachers asking for recommendation letters and filling out questions I have to do to my guidance counselor and stuff. So I'm probably gonna be doing that the rest of the day. I'm probably gonna take some breaks, but I'm probably gonna have dinner in like an hour or so. So stay tuned. Currently drinking an Arnold Palmer and I'm taking a break from college stuff. By the way, my dad and sister are going to cut my dad's hair.
Hello.
With scissors. So yeah, scissors. Say hi to the vlog, Dad.
I need it, right?
Okay, back to college research for the 3rd hour today. Okay guys, nightly vlog. Jenna, wanna come in? So we're saying hi to my dog. We ate food, we had hot dogs, it was really good.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Look at her, 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 look how cute she is. Look how cute she is.
That's about it. Hey guys, so right now I'm in my bed, just chilling it up, just relaxing. I have my college stuff open again. I might just do a little more work. I'm drinking a little Snapple. And I'm probably just gonna chill here, relax. this often.